Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over, and first we're going to enable auto rotate in the quick settings. So we're simply going to go over into the quick settings right here, scroll once more, and here we should have it. Now when it's blue, then that means it's enabled, but when it's gray, that means it's disabled. Now we can test the gyroscope. We can tilt our phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. So we got our settings first. It works. Let's check Chrome. It also works. The camera also works. The phone works. And every single app that I'll probably click and the app that has support, it will definitely work. So that means the gyroscope is okay and that there's no issues with it at all. But if you do have some issues, I would recommend restarting your phone to reset the sensors. We're gonna press the power button, volume up button at the same time, and tap on restart. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we going to do as a last resort is update our software to fix any sensor issues. So let's go over into the settings, and in the settings we need to swipe a little bit down to click on system updates. Now tap check for updates, and it is checking for updates automatically, as you guys can see. And I'm using the latest software, but if you don't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important so that you can keep up with the new versions and that you run away from any old glitches from the previous ones. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.